Hello friends, welcome to Next Good Bets YouTube channel. Before going to look at momentum stocks to trade for tomorrow, we'll look at Nifty chart. After rising partially yesterday, Nifty had opened at higher level and then fell all the way down to even cross the low of the day before yesterday. Thereby it set the trend for downtrend. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. If you see the 15 minutes chart, yesterday Nifty had a uptrend throughout the day, but it couldn't sustain at those levels, which were earlier support levels, and that became resistance at 11,920 level, and it pulled back till the moving average level. It had a little bounce, but as we can see on the RSI chart, RSI did not cross even mid neutral level of 50, and it kept falling. This was mainly due to global cues coming in the afternoon. Even before the European markets opened, Nifty kept falling and it didn't recover much by the end of the day. Now, as we know, Dow has fallen 3%, more than 800 points. So, following the global cues, we can expect Nifty to open at lower price. It might continue to fall, or it may make a bounce. But looking at the chart, I would expect that Nifty will fall up to 11,600 level, which was earlier resistance level that it had broken in the beginning of this month. First stock we will look at is Biocon. Biocon was trying to go up yesterday, but today it didn't follow through despite it breaking the previous day's high. So if it opens at lesser level tomorrow, one can trade this on the buy side, but today I suggest a different approach. One can wait for the first half an hour to pass and then take an entry with a stop loss below the low of the half an hour. For example, if you look at today's chart, this is the first half an hour, these two candles. If you were to enter here at the close of the first half an hour, your stop loss will be here, the low of that. Then trail the stop loss as it goes up. Or you can enter when it crosses the high of the first half an hour. That's even better. In case the market continues the fall like it did today, you will not enter the stock. So you will have the benefit of price action as well as the levels to be decided based on tomorrow's uh, market opening. Even if we decide some levels now, the market may not open here. If it opens here, let's say which is a support level, it might actually find support and then bounce from this level. So it is better to let the first half an hour decide. First half an hour will be the time where the global cues will be observed. After that, the overnight global cues will be observed in the first half an hour, and then later half of the day will be based on European market global cues. Our next stock is Techem. So similar to earlier, uh, actually the IT stocks have had good bull run in these few months compared to other sectors, but they have pulled back and consolidating at these levels. So tomorrow there is a moving average here. If the stock falls to 790 level, it can see a bounce. So what you can do similar to the earlier one, for all of the stocks today, I'm suggesting same approach. You can wait for the first half an hour, and depending on the range of that, start the position. So take them for the buy side above the high level, whichever level it opens, and the first half an hour decides the high and low levels, you can take the overbid type of trading strategy. Enter upon breakout of higher level and put a stop loss at the lower level, and then trail the stop loss as it keeps going up. Our next stock is Cipla. Cipla also showed good momentum yesterday, but today, due to weak market, it had taken a pause. So you can follow the same thing, wait for the first half an hour in the morning and enter for buy side upon breakout of the high level with a stop loss at the low level, depending on what the levels will be tomorrow. The next three stocks are for the sell side. So UPL has been in a downtrend recently. So tomorrow it can have a wild swing, but it has almost recovered the big fall of the day before yesterday, because of which I expect that it can have a fall again tomorrow and even break this lower level or at least go till this level. So because it was a good rise today and the day before yesterday, we can expect a good swing in UPL for a short sell trade. For this too, you can wait for the first half an hour and take the short side when the low of the first half an hour is broken with a stop loss at the high of the first half an hour. So we have Ultrasimco. Ultrasimco, we look at it as in a counter trade actually, because it has gone to very high levels recently, steadily from this low level of 3800 till 4600. It has started pulling back, but it had made a good rise yesterday. It would have been a bumper trade for short sale today, but it even broken the low of the prior 2 days. So there's a chance that it will continue to fall tomorrow with the same momentum. As we can see, the RSI is also falling. So for this, what you can do is, like it has done today's movement, wait for the first half an hour and then wait till the RSI goes closer to the high side, either 60 or 70. Take a short sell trade there, put a stop loss above the high of the first half an hour and trail the stop loss as it goes down. So you can trail the stop loss with each 15-minute candle, wait for 15 minutes and change your stop loss value to the high of this. Then for after this period is over, change your stop loss to this. Like that you can trail, and at one point, that is when this green happens, in this case at this point your stop loss will be hit and you will be able to book the profit. If the trade were to happen like today's movement, you would wait for first half an hour and then observe the RSI to go till high. Here it hasn't reached above 60 level, but it almost reached 60, that is here, and it started falling. So you probably enter just as it breaks the low of this candle, green candle, and have a stop loss here. Then keep shifting, trailing it as it goes down and close it here. Next stock is Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors also starting its downtrend, even RSI reached lower limit and had a bounce for the last couple of days. Now that the market is in good downswing today, that we are expecting tomorrow, it can easily break this low and fall. So you can follow the same thing as you do for UPL. Wait for the first half an hour. Let me get the 30-minute candle. Take the first half an hour candle. Use the high and low. When the low is breached, take the short sell side with high of the candle as the stop loss. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.